Your content is not bad. Then why is nobody watching? Because YouTube is ignoring you. And no, it's not because you are a small creator. Every day, thousands of small channels upload amazing videos, but they get stuck at 10 views, 20 views, maybe 100 if lucky. Meanwhile, some random video blows up overnight. So, what's really going on? YouTube doesn't care about your channel size. It cares about one thing: how people react to your video. If viewers don't click, you are invisible. If they click but leave, you are dead. Small channels get ignored because of three silent killers. Number one, weak thumbnails. Number two, boring first 10 seconds. And number three, no clear value. So fix these and everything changes. First, your thumbnails and titles. If people don't click, nothing else matters. Your thumbnail should create curiosity, your title should create urgency. Make them think, I need to watch this right now. Second, the first 10 seconds. Most creators waste it with intros. Hi guys, welcome back. Stop. Instead, start with a problem or a shock. Hook them instantly or lose them forever. Third, clear value. Don't make viewers guess why they should watch. Tell them what they will get, why it matters, how it helps them. Here are some examples. Here is the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need more subscribers to grow. You need videos that people can't ignore. If you fix these three things, your next video could be the one that finally blows up. So, before your next upload, ask yourself, would you click on your own video? Before going to start and creating your content, if you're a small creator watching this, comment growth below. I want to see how many of you are serious.